Now we got to solve this question tactfully so that there will be less complexity or no complexity as far as the calculations is concerned. Now looking at these numbers 45, 30, 15, 10 and 9. Okay, these are the number of minutes in which P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5 can empty a tank. Okay, now the next number into consideration should be 11 1 by 4. Now 11 1 by 4 is 45 upon 4. Okay. Now this is the time in which the tank gets filled if one of the filling pipe and one emptying pipe operate. Now the next number is 15. Okay. With the other combination, the tank gets emptied in 15 minutes. Now looking at all these numbers, these are the times in which a single pipe or a combination of pipe will empty or fill the tank. Okay. So now we need to assume the total work. Okay. Now the total work should be a number which is completely divisible by all these numbers, and that is 90. So I'll start by assuming the total work as 90 units, or the capacity of the tank as 90 liters, whatever we call it. Okay, so I'll assume 90 as the total amount of work. Now, writing it respectively for P1, P2, P3, P4, and P5, the amount of work done by them in 1 minute. So P1, if total work assumed is 90, I have written it at the top. So P1, the amount of work done in 1 minute will be 90 divided by 45, that is 2. Now, since this is an emptying pipe, all of them are emptying pipes. So I'll assume a pipe which is emptying the tank as positive and the pipe which is filling the tank as negative. So initially all these will be considered as negatives. So P2, it will be 90 divided by 30, that is 3. P3, the amount of work done will be 90 divided by 15, that is 6. For P4, it will be 9. And for P5, it will be 10. Now, out of these five, exactly two pipes are now converted into filling pipes, retaining the rate at which they fill or empty the tank. Okay, so retaining the rate of flow. So, out of these numbers, two of them will be converted into a negative number. All right. Now, if one filling pipe and one emptying pipe operate, the tank gets emptied in 11 1 by 4 minutes. That means the net amount of work done will be 90 divided by 45 upon 4. And that will come out to be 8. Okay. Now, since the tank is getting filled, I'll write it as minus 8. Now, with a combination of these five numbers and with a combination of a plus and a minus sign, how can I make minus 8? So it can be written as minus 10 plus 2. Minus 10 plus 2. So that means if P5 will act as an inlet pipe and P1 will act as an outlet pipe or an emptying pipe, then the tank will get completely filled in a total of 11 1 by 4 minutes. Okay, so I can say that out of the five pipes which were originally empty, which could originally empty the tank, P5 was one of the pipe which was converted into an inlet pipe. All right. Now looking at next, while the other combination of filling pipe and an emptying pipe can fill the tank, can empty the tank in 15 minutes. Now empty the tank in 15 minutes, that means 90 upon 15, that is the 6. Now since it is emptying the pipe and emptying the tank, so it will be plus 6. So that means the other combination will empty the tank in 15 minutes. That means the net rate of work will be 6 units per minute. Now with a combination of these, how can I make plus 6? So it can be 9 minus 3. So that means P4 will work as an empty pipe or an outlet pipe, and minus 3, P2 will work as an inlet pipe. So P2 is the second pipe that is being converted into an inlet pipe from an outlet pipe. So the question is, which of the following combination of pipes have been converted into the filling pipes? So it is P2 and P4, which is option D. So the correct answer for this question is P2 and P5. I said P4, but it is P5, as you can see, P2 and P5, which is option D, a correct answer. All right.